In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan and schedule work for your team with Gusto Scheduling. To get started, sign into your Gusto account. Once you're logged in, head to the Time and Attendance section. This is where you can manage employee hours, schedules, and related activity all in one place. From there, open the scheduling area to begin building your team's work plan. Next, click Create Schedule. This will open the scheduling workspace where you can set up shifts for the period you want to manage. Start by selecting the schedule period. This could be a week or another available time frame, depending on how your team organizes work. Choosing the correct period first helps you avoid confusion later and make sure everyone is scheduled for the right dates. After that, choose the employees you want to include in the schedule. Make sure you're selecting the right team members for that period so coverage is accurate. Once your employees are added, begin creating shifts for each person. As you do this, set the shift start and end times carefully. This is one of the most important parts of the process, since accurate timing helps with payroll, staffing, and making sure the team knows exactly when they're expected to work. If a shift includes a meal break or rest break, add break times where needed. Including breaks in the schedule makes the plan more realistic and easier for employees to follow, and it also helps you stay organized when reviewing total hours. When all shifts have been entered, take a moment to review the schedule. Look over each employee's assigned days, hours, and breaks to make sure everything is correct. This is a good time to catch overlap issues, missing shifts, or timing errors before the schedule goes live. If you notice anything that needs to be changed, make any necessary adjustments directly in the schedule. Once everything looks right, click Publish Schedule. Publishing makes the schedule available to your team, so they can see when they're working. After that, notify employees of the published schedule. This step is important because even though the schedule is available, a notification helps ensure your team actually knows it has been posted and can review it in time. Going forward, continue to monitor schedule changes and employee requests. Team availability can shift, and requests may come in after publishing. When needed, update the schedule and republish it so everyone stays informed and the latest version is always available. Thanks for watching.